Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my defense, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is sideways, gold is choppy, and there is no clarity in the direction of the market. So, my dear friends, if you're looking for some good trades, then obviously today is not the ideal day because we can clearly see that gold's trend, gold's next direction is not very much clear. We had hopes from CPI. Like yesterday, um, we had CPI, but the numbers match the expected numbers. As a result, there was not some good moves from the market. As we all know, whenever market meets the expectations, okay, we do not see some big moves. Whenever there is a difference between the expected number and the actual number, we see some crazy movements. But yesterday, nothing happened. As a result, market is still sideways. If you're wondering what is the trend of the market, then yes, at this moment, gold is bullish. Overall gold is bullish. But as a day trader, things are not very favorable for us because this is the daily chart. You can see on a daily chart, we have a structural change here. Market is going up. If profit booking comes, yes, profit booking is also very much possible because market has shown good amount of movement. Obviously, the buyers will be booking profit. So if a profit booking comes, then next support is around 4200. You can see previous resistance will be working as support here. Again, I'm repeating, if a sudden profit booking comes during the US session, do not be surprised. 4200 is the next support. But the problem is that 4200 is far away from the current market price. And if we focus on the current range of gold, then we can clearly see that things are not very good. Already I have mentioned in the WhatsApp group as well as in the Telegram community as well that today I won't be trading because I don't like this type of charts. I would like to wait and watch. So you can clearly see that number of trading opportunities are also very much limited. So my dear friend, if you're looking for some good trades, then this is not the ideal chart. Okay. The only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold are around 438480, then 4358. These are the two levels where you can look for a buy position. But as we can clearly see, the market is choppy. Market is not respecting levels, but the market respect नहीं कर रहा, choppy है. So there's a chance that market will be going for some liquidity grab or SL hunting. So when market will be coming up, you can look for a buy around 4358, 4384. If market takes support around 4350, there also you can look for a buy position. Keep in mind, these levels are not very reliable. They are not major support levels. Okay, but still, okay, as a day trader, if you want some trades, you can try to buy around 4384, 4358 after liquidity grab. But if you are in a tight budget, okay, you do not have much capital, you need some good trades only, then it's better to take risk for the day. Okay. And yesterday after CPI, market made a high of 4450. So 4450 range is still 4450 is still the resistance for the market, but we can see the market has faced resistance around this area a couple of times. So taking a sell again is risky. If you want to take the risk of selling around 4450, 4445, it's up to you. But personally, I prefer to follow the trend of the market, where the trend of gold is overall bullish, mildly bullish. Okay, I do not want to go for a sell, but if you are a day trader, if you feel that yes, there can be a selling opportunity on 4450, it's up to you. But at this moment, I do not see any breakout opportunity as well. Let's wait for the US session. I think US session will give us much more clarity. But at the time of recording the video, this chart is not very ideal for traders like us. Okay, so let's wait and watch. That's it.